Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PayPal account without linking your credit card. So first of all, you want to go on PayPal. Depending on the country, this might look different, but you always want to click on sign up, which will be at the top right corner. Now next up, you're going to choose whether you want a personal account or a business account. So if you have a business, then you would have to do business account, but chances are you don't. So choose personal account and click on next, and you can then enter your information. So you need to come up with an email address, your first name, last name, and a password, and then confirm password, and then click on continue. Now next up, you need to come up with your passcode, your flat number, which is optional, your address, town and city, and date of birth, and also your mobile phone number if you want to link that, which is also what I'm gonna do right now. What you have to do as well, once you've got all of that set up, click on agree and continue, and then again next up it will ask you what would you like to do next, short with PayPal or send money. Now right there you can click on add a card to use later, or you can just click on get started right here. For example, just add your card to shop, right? So they are gonna ask you for your card, but if you ignore that and remove this URL and just go to paypal.com, you should still be signed in, and there you go. So right now I do have a PayPal account and I have not linked any credit card. So it's definitely possible to open a PayPal account without a card. Now next step, you can add a card or bank account. So I'm assuming that most of you will have a bank account. You can then click right there to add a debit card or a bank account. So if you have a bank account, you can do that. If you also don't have access to a bank account, all you can do is have friend send money to you on PayPal. So you would have a PayPal email, which is the same email you use to sign in if friends send you money. Now please make sure that that's not like $500 or $1,000, because if you have an account without any verification, you won't be able to receive a lot of money. But you can still use this account to shop at stores where they are not gonna ask for your credit card information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.